Hello everyone, hey, in this video we are going to discuss how to download photos on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. If you want to download photos for your offline use on Chromebook, then you can simply open Chrome browser, visit photos.google.com, or else you can simply open the photo application if it is installed on your Chromebook. Now click on Photos option. And here you'll find all your photos and videos that are saved on your Google Photos. Now to download any photos for your offline use, simply select the photo you want to download. Then click on this three-dot icon and click on download. And to download the image. To access your downloaded file, open Files app, click on My File, then open the Downloads folder, and here you'll find your image. So that's it. This is how you can download photos on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.